Right, this is for the B team. It's a masterclass on how to lay laminate flooring.
Because I know they're struggling with laminate flooring, which in my opinion is a DIY job, but they're still struggling with it. Anyway, so key points to remember, B team. Clean the floor. Sweeping brush, brush it like this, get the crap off the floor, make sure it's nice and clean. Next point, underlay. Lay your underlay, stack your joints. Third point, use 2 packs at the same time. If there's a difference in shade, then you won't notice it when it's down. So always use 2 packs at the same time. And the most important things of all, 10mm expansion gap all round, or as manufacturers state, whatever it is, I do believe, it's an 8mm on this because we've laid this floor loads of times. 8mm expansion gap, but you know full well that we've lifted our boards high, so you've got good clearance anyway. Expansion joints are critical and important. Also, the next thing and all, when you put your board down, you don't want your next board closer than 300mm on your joint. It's a no-no. It looks crap and it's not good either. So, what we're going to do now, can I have a time check, Jen, please?
Yep.
Jen is going to fit, I'm going to cut. It is now
8:41.
8:41. We're going to put this floor down as quick as humanly possible. We're going to fit it perfectly, and we're going to offer it to you, B team, as a masterclass for you to go home, have a look, and address your problems with fitting laminate flooring. Right, what Jen's doing now, she's putting down the underlay. You can see she's staggering the joints in the underlay there as well. Time is ticking. We're on 1 minute 50 seconds. I'll just move this crap out of her way. What we'll do, she'll get 2 rows down, and then we're going to start putting some boards down. Let me just show you what she's doing here now. She's going to put that underneath that one. She's going to put that one tight to there, like she has. There you go. And now what she's going to do, she's now going to cut that where her hand is there, take out the piece off the bottom, and then that is her cut. So that's the quickest way to do that. I took the knife, Jen. Here you go. Sorry.
It's alright.
Watch your fingers. There you go. So she's going to score down there. She's using that top one as a guide. She'll now lift that off. You keep that. Take the bottom one out.
Put it back.
Put that back. That one will fit in there lovely like that. And there you go. That's the quickest way to get that down. What we're going to do now, we're going to start putting some boards down. We're going to keep an eye on the time and see how quickly we can get this down. So what she's doing, look, she's getting the floor down. She's make sure that that gap there, where them boards join, is no smaller than 300mm, which is what you want. She's wiggling the board in. When she's happy it's in, she's going to tap it down. Right. What we do, we don't use packers, which she does recommend. What we do, we'll get these 3 rows down, and then we'll just pull the board like that, so it's in the right position. And then what we'll do then, we'll lay the flooring on top of the floor to weigh it down so it doesn't move. Jen's going to give me that measurement. Her offcut then from there will go there.
230.
Can you put that timer on? Uh, 7 minutes 43. Okay, so we're coming to the end. This is the last piece. Let me just show you what time. 32 minutes, 16 seconds, and the last piece is being fit by Jen, who's obviously fit all the floors well. I've just cut for her.
This is a bit fiddly, but we're in.
There you go. She's in, she's down, and we're on 32 minutes, 33 seconds. Masterclass, laminate floor fitting, no joint closer than 300mm, expansion gap all the way around, no greater than 10mm. There you go, there's your laminate floor fit, there's your masterclass.